Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jelle and in this video I will give you 7 tips that you can implement right now to create a professional Twitch channel description. Let's jump right into it. Did you ever scroll down on someone's Twitch profile just to see a wall of text, or even worse, nothing at all? It's horrible. If you are willing to invest some time into perfecting your Twitch description, then make sure you watch the whole video because it may very well turn a leaver into a follower. For those who are completely new to Twitch panels, let me quickly get you up to speed to how the panel editor works. Scroll down on your Twitch profile and toggle the panel buttons to go into the editing mode. Now you can click on the plus icon and choose between adding an extension panel or add a text and image panel. I will discuss extensions in a future video, so if you don't want to miss that out, consider subscribing. We will use the first option in this video, so click it and here you have the main screen. We can add a title, add an image, add a link and add a description. Of course, when you add an image as a panel, you do not want to add a title. Titles are actually never used. When you're finished editing, just click submit and you can preview the panel by toggling the edit panels again. Let's go ahead and start with the tips. Tip number 1, there are a lot of resources for free panels. Let's power through some websites and I will link them all in the description. If you're looking for pre-made panels that you can immediately add to your description, stop looking and go to wdflat.com. They have a list of 85 free panel PNGs and I really like some of their designs. The Nerd or Die panel creator is perfect if you do not have Photoshop and you want simple panels in your own branding color. Choose an icon, a color, change the text and you're done. Another great resource is a panel pack created by a streamer who released all his designs. There are 27 different styles and you can download them by clicking on the blue link under the image and then right clicking the panels that you want to save them to your computer. I made my panels with Photoshop and I will make a tutorial for that and also a tutorial to make panels with a free editor, and I will link them at the top when they are ready. Tip number 2, do not overlook the Markdown guide. I strongly advise you to take a look at the quick guide to Markdown made by Twitch. It will help you to format your text better and make sure you do not end up with blocks of text in your Twitch profile description. People love lists and steps. That's even the reason that this video is 7 tips instead of a big explanation. So try to replace some of the text in your profile with a list. For example, the text under the About Me panel can very well be a list instead of one block of text where you explain who you are. Tip number 3, do not make a king-size donate button. When I scroll down on someone's Twitch profile and I see all normal panels, just normal size, and then one big panel that says donate now or donate please, I mean, it really sounds like the person is just trying to grab your money and just trying to get those donations, and it really scares people off. If someone wants to donate, he will find the small donate button or he will even ask you. If you're not sure how to set up your donate button, you can do it on the STREAMLABS website. Just go to streamlabs.com, log in with your Twitch account and on your left click on settings. You will automatically be in the donation settings tab, so connect your PayPal right here. Then click on settings and set up the donation as you want. After that, go back to methods and click on this URL to check out what people will see when they click on your donate button. To add the donation link to your Twitch channel description, copy this link, go to your Twitch profile, enable the panel editor and add a small donate image. Now add your link and save the panel. Now people can click on your donate button and everything works. And this tip flows perfectly in the next one. Tip number 4, add your top donators to your Twitch profile even as a small streamer. Maybe when you start out streaming it may look silly to add a $2 donation as your top donation or maybe your only donation, but it really shows the people that you care about the little things, and it may even encourage people to donate because their name is guaranteed to end up on the list. Give your supporters some credit because the beginning is really when you need them the most. Tip number 5, be careful when adding a schedule. Having a schedule is important and can without a doubt help you to get more loyal viewers, subscribers and followers. But be careful with this because when people check out your stream because they expect you to be online because it was in your schedule and then you're not online, because you missed your stream, because you missed your schedule, then it may actually hurt your stream. Maybe some of those people were checking out your stream again for the first time, and half of them may lose interest because you're just not online and you just let them down and they forget about you. When your life makes it impossible to follow a specific schedule, or you're just not that committed to live streaming, there is something else you can do. Instead of adding a schedule to your stream with specific days and specific hours, just write something like streaming in the weekends and during the week when work allows it. That way people will unconsciously tell themselves, hey, you need to check regularly to see if this streamer is online. Maybe it will even encourage them to follow you because there's no other way to tell if you are online other than searching your name in the search bar, which people do not like. Tip number 6, make one panel for all your social media accounts. Many streamers, even the bigger ones, will add one separate panel for each social media account. And I mentioned the wall of text and panels in the intro. Well, this is a major cause of it. A much better way to link your social media accounts is adding one panel that says socials or social media and then adding all your social media accounts under that. A good example of this is Ninja. He also has one panel and then under that the links to his social media accounts. Of course, Ninja will get followers and subscribers anyway, so the links take up almost no space. But as a small streamer, I think it's better to add one link on each line so the links take up more space and people will more easily see that those are your social media links. And a quick tip, when you only have one social media account, it can be a good idea to add a big image only for that social media channel. The stream of my friend Vimper is a good example of this. When you look at this Twitch channel description, it really feels like following him on Twitter is the only thing to do in order to complete his description, in order to finish the tasks, if that makes any sense. When I look at his description, I really feel like following him on Twitter is the only thing to do. Of course, I know that in this video I said do not add a big donate button because it looks greedy and it makes you look like a money grabber, but I do not think that a social media account is the same thing. I mean, following someone on Twitter is free. Half of the people who follow you will even want to follow you on Twitter to see updates. So I think that in this case, it's okay to add a big image to grab the attention and make people follow you. Tip number 7, make some money with affiliate links. A good way for a small streamer to make some extra money on Twitch is by adding affiliate links to his profile description. For example, this banner on my Twitch profile sends people to Kit, where he or she can browse products and potentially go to Amazon through one of these products. When they get to Amazon with your link, you will earn a commission for everything that they buy within the next 24 hours, which is amazing. The reason I advise you to use Kit is because it automatically sends the user to the right Amazon store, to the closest store to them. This will make sure you get your commission because all the Amazon stores have a separate affiliate program. I made a step-by-step guide to set this up, so if you're interested in that, I will link it on top. And if you already know how to set up affiliate links, but you want this banner, I will link that in the description. And another great way to make money with your Twitch profile is by using the STREAMLABS affiliate program. You can earn a commission for everyone that downloads STREAMLABS OBS through your link. Unfortunately, the program is in a rework right now at the time of creating this video, but it will be back in June 2019. As soon as it's out, I will make a video explaining how the affiliate program works and how to make best use of it. So if you don't want to miss that, consider subscribing so you don't miss that video. For the remaining panels like about me, frequently asked questions, etc., you can watch the Video Nerds Twitch profile, which I will link in the description to get some inspiration from there. And while you're there, you may consider following it because I will be doing some informative Q&A there and also some gaming with the Video Nerds community, so it will be a lot of fun. And if growing your stream and your reach on social media is something you are interested in, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications so you don't miss out on a future helpful video. I am Jelle from the Video Nerds YouTube channel and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day.